Hello guys, Blackview is here with a new affordable and extremely value for money tablet. Blackview Tab 10 houses some exceptional features at a comparative price. The new tablet is looking much more attractive and useful than the ones from Huawei and Samsung. Blackview Tab 10 comes with a custom UI based on Android 11 OS. It enables users to have more control and convenience all over the Android stock. The self-developed UI Dock P1.0 carries several new features and it's purely optimized for Android tablets. It delivers all new icons and carries exceptional features like System Manager, Cold Room, Dark Mode, Game Mode, and some other useful features, and coming with the pre-installed VPS Office suite. Blackview Tab 10 offers a massive 7480 mAh battery that can last up to days. It uses a durable metal cover. The tablet offers a premium look with its aluminum body and only 8.4 mm thick, thinner than the competition. Display always remains an important component for the tablet. Blackview Tab 10 houses a 10.1-inch Full HD Plus display that offers vivid colors and excellent contrast. It comes powered with the MTK 8768 processor, which is further coupled with the 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. The user can expand it up to 128GB with a micro SD card. The processor offers splendid performance and fast response while enabling smooth multitasking. Also support keyboard attachment. The tablet debuts with a 13-megapixel rear camera to capture the photos on the go. However, an 8-megapixel lens is present on the front for selfies and quality video calls. The smartphone offers flawless connectivity options. It also supports dual SIM compatibility. Considering the specifications and features it offers for the price of $139, the Blackview Tab 10 is actually a real value for money tablet. The interested users can grab it in the three color options of gray, silver and gold. It is now retailing via AliExpress at a discounted price of $139 up to $199. The price will be revised to $149 from June 12 to June 20. The official sales links below the video. Hurry up and grab your new Tab 10 today at discounted price. That will be all for today. See you soon with a new concept video. Bye.